Okay, we have Edumy, which is online learning mobile app kit. Some introduction. Not sure what this is, but it does look promising. Lots of elements and stuff. There's a design system which blinded me and also looks incomplete. Like you don't have all the error states and stuff for input, so already losing some points there. Also, yeah, no variables, no light and dark mode, at least not an easy one. Let's check the designs. So here they do have a light and dark mode, but I don't know how that actually works. We actually compare the second one. So I guess it's manually done. Wish there were like two separate color modes so you can at least use a plugin to switch in between. I'm mirroring on my phone as well. Doesn't look super bad. So I'm gonna log in, choose a location. Why do you need my location if I'm learning online? I've worked quite a lot in the education systems. These are just too high level and it shows they don't really did enough research. But overall, the kit is not bad. You have auto layout, you have the styles which can be converted somewhat to variables and do the light dark mode automatically. Like I wouldn't use it for what it says it does, like online education, because you don't have streaming or you're joining classes and you have comments and stuff. But yeah, it's like very high level. But yeah, you could use it, convert this like to a fitness app, maybe. The UI is not, again, not bad. Yeah. Yeah, it works, but not for what's intended to do.